Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. Today let's compare Mars God's Glow Illuminator with Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. I will be just focusing on the formulation, its performance, how exactly it looks side by side, and at the end of the video I will tell you which one is worth our money. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. So Mars God's Glow Illuminator comes in 8 different shades for 899 rupees and you get 30 ml of quantity, whereas the Inside Cosmetics one retails for 280 for 11 grams of product and you get 6 shades to choose from. Now according to me, I feel that if Inside Cosmetics had launched 30 ml in this, the price wouldn't have exceeded rupees 500. That is what I feel, because this is way too pricey and I think Mars has heavily priced this product. They could have nearly bought this under rupees 500, 600. I think it would have been affordable, but 899 is not affordable by any means. And if you're interested for a dedicated video on each of the products, please head on to my description box. Also, I'll try and mention the link on the card section. Please don't forget to have a look. Before I start applying the product, let me just prime the face, and for that I'm going to use my Mars Glow O'Clock Gripping Primer, taking about 3 pumps and applying it to my entire face. Okay, so in Mars God's Glow Illuminator, I'm in the shade 06 Toffee and I'm taking about 5 to 6 strokes on the right side of my face and I will blend it out with my finger itself, because these kind of products are really easy to work with finger and the warmth of your finger is nicely going to mesh and melt the product into your skin. Alright, so right side with Mars God's Glow Illuminator, and if I see in the mirror, I can see that it is looking bit white and grey on my skin tone because the shade match is lighter than my actual skin tone. Now on the left side I'm going to use the Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter and this is in the shade Espresso. So I'll take same amount on the left side as well. And just look at the shade match, you guys. This is perfect for tan to dusky skin tone. So right side with Mars and left side with Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. Now you can decide for yourself which side looks more beautiful and it is giving me more radiant and luminous skin. Frankly speaking, if you ask my opinion, I feel the inside one on the left side is giving me bit more radiance and luminous skin, because this side of my skin feels very plumped, juicy and it is very luminous, you guys. Plus the shade match is spot on. Now if I compare the Mars side, it's giving me very subtle glow, but when I see in the mirror, this side where I've used the Mars God's Glow Illuminator is giving me grey cast and my face is looking very dull. Of course, it might be because of the shade, but I think the shimmer particles present in Mars is extremely subtle and it is not going to give you tons of luminous and radiance if you layer something else on your skin. So today, to give this both product a fair chance, I will use my Rimmel Kind and Free Moisturizing Skin Tint. This is in the shade Latte. Now the earlier day when I was trying the Mars God's Glow Illuminator, I had used the Nykaa Superlight Serum Skin Tint, and because it has a beautiful soft matte finish, I wanted to see what kind of finish do we get once we have this God's Glow Illuminator underneath. So I think you guys should watch that video and I feel you can benefit out of that video. So yeah, let's use this Rimmel Moisturizing Skin Tint. Alright, so this is how my skin looks with two different products on each side of my face and using the Rimmel Moisturizing Skin Tint on top. I went with extremely light layer because I do not want to defeat the purpose in any ways. I want the radiance to peek through from this skin tint. So that is why I went with the Rimmel Moisturizing Skin Tint, because this shade 410 Latte is my perfect shade in a tube and I really cannot go wrong with this. So let me complete the rest of my face makeup and I will be right back to show you how actually my skin looks with full face of makeup on. So guys, I'm back after full face of makeup. This is how my skin looks with two different products on each side of my face. Before I start sharing my final thoughts, let me just tell you what all products I used today to complete my base makeup. Now on the Mars side, around my mouth area, it was looking very ashy. So I needed some color correction. For that, I used my Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade Warm Sand. And next, to highlight the center of my face and under my eyes, today I used mixture of two different concealer. The first one is Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the shade Toasted Almond, and the next one is Swiss Beauty Select Concealer in the shade 2.5. Mixing these two, I got my perfect brightening concealer for my skin tone. Today I went with all cream products and did not set my face with powder in any ways, but I had to lightly set under my eye area, because if I don't do that, it is going to crease on me very badly, you guys. And in winters, I do not like the feel of powder on my face. Firstly, I have a dry skin. Secondly, it just sucks the moisture out of my face, making me look very dry and cakey. I used the Inside Cosmetics cream highlighter on the highest points, like over here, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and on my chin. And to set everything in place, I used the e.l.f. Microfine setting mist. Now this is not a matte finishing setting mist, but it gives you a very natural finish. And my main purpose, as you already know, I really want the radiance to peek through. So for that reason, I even use the skin tint which has a very light coverage, and this is how my skin actually looks like. Now coming to my final thoughts, clearly you can see the difference for yourself, you guys. The left side is giving me a bit more radiance. It is making me look very brightening. It has evened my skin tone. Also, because Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter is infused with vitamin E and squalene, it is going to make sure that the skin will remain hydrated and nourished for really long time. And because the shade match was spot on, I can see the radiance is more, the luminosity is more. And now if I compare it to the Mars side, this part of my face, you'll come to know that it's looking very subtle. Plus, it's feeling very dry, though I have not used any powder products, and also the skin tint is very moisturizing, but still it is making me feel very dry. I think it is literally sucking the moisture, whatever hydration I had infused with all the skincare products I used before start of this video. It's just sucking everything slowly and steadily. Too many cooks spoil the broth, and that is what has happened with Mars. If you look into their ingredient list, they have mentioned 10 to 12 key ingredients that is going to provide you hydration and nourishment, but on my dry skin, I do not think it is benefiting me in any ways. On the other hand, this side of my face is very dry, you guys. I feel it is making me more dry, and also you cannot see the radiance on this side whatsoever. So rather I would settle for 280 rupees Inside Cosmetics one, and you get 11 grams of product. So obviously if you finish, you can repurchase anytime, but I don't think the 900 rupees product is worth the money. They have just kept the price so high, but the performance is negligible, you guys. It's not up to the mark. When I shared my first impression that day also, I did not like it. My face was feeling very dry, and even today I did not like this product whatsoever. Now let me tell you, I'm not bashing the brand in any ways. Mars is one of my favorite brand. I have been loving most of their new launches, but this one product, in my opinion, it is a major fail, and I would rather recommend you guys getting this one, because it is 100 times worth the money than the Mars one. So guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.